Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. It's Halloween time and we are going to draw a fun, mean, and scary Dracula face. You ready? We're going to start with this black marker here. I'm going to get the small pointed end, and we are going to find an imaginary middle line on our paper, and we're going to start right there. So we're going to start in the middle and go up. Make a little space, go up. Okay, these are the eyes we're going to build here. Now we're going to start at the top and drop an eye down, so curve. Other sides at the top, just do the same thing. So we have two eyes. They're looking mean and they're staring right at us, huh? So let's do some eyebrows. We're going to start above the eye. Follow that same curve and down, stop. Start above the eye, follow that curve, stop. And there's our eyebrows. So now let's do a nose. We're going to find that middle. And we're going to do down, point, up. Okay, it's like a V. Well, somewhat of a V. Down to a V and over. So we have the nose. So everyone knows Dracula has sharp teeth and a scary smile, right? So let's do a smile. We're going to go down to a point and up. Okay? We'll do some smile lines here. These little curves that follow the smile. And we're going to do some big, scary teeth. Nothing's more fun and scary than Dracula's pointy vampire teeth. Okay? So a couple of triangles. Now we're going to go down, curve, and up. Touch that tooth. And this is his mouth. And on the inside of the mouth, we're going to do two more teeth triangles. One, two. Okay. And we'll color this in a minute. And below the mouth, below this mouth, I do a little lip. He's looking like a monster, huh? We're gonna do it. We'll go up here and do this. Finish these eyes off. So we're gonna do two more half circles inside those eyes, and leave the white. See how we left that white? There's a little white dot. Leave that white there, and we'll choose a color, maybe red for the eye. Okay. So now we're gonna do a chin. Let's do a pointy chin. Now we're gonna bring this pointy chin up to the cheek. Actually, let's start at the cheek. Right over here, we're gonna do a curve around this smile. So curve down and connect it to the chin. Same thing, start here, the same area, same height. Curve around the mouth, bring it in to that chin. Okay. Dracula's starting to look mean, starting to take shape. Now we're going to do some big pointy ears. So about the height of these eyebrows, we'll go up and out. Up and out. Starting to see those pointy vampire ears. And then we're going to go down to a point, down to a point. Bring it in and curve. Bring it in and curve into the cheek. Kind of some pointy ears there. Do a couple of lines to make them look like ears. Okay, so now we all know that Dracula has this big pointy hairline. So we're going to start at the cheekbone. I'm going to go up really big, point in the middle. Okay? We're going to do the same thing. We're going to bring that point down to this cheek. So watch this. Follow the point. Do the same thing, kind of like a big heart. Bring it down slowly into the cheek. Okay? Now we got to draw the top of his head. So we're going to start here on this ear. Go up to the top. We're going to bring this down to this ear. Okay? Watch slowly. Move your arm and hand down to the ear. Good job. He's looking mean and scary. Let's do, to finish this off, we're gonna do a neck. So we'll start kind of on the chin side, and we'll do a curve line down, curve line down, and we're gonna do the cape. So start over here on this. Actually, let's start on the cheek. Out, out. I'm gonna bring these down to a point. Okay, I'm gonna do a dot right there. Bring it all the way down, slowly to that dot, all the way down to the dot. And there we have the outline to our Dracula face. Really cool, really scary, really mean. It's Halloween time, so sometimes it's fun to get creative and draw these fun monsters. Now it's time to color our Dracula face. So let's do it. And I will hit fast forward right now and follow along. Feel free to pause the video and start over as you need. And here we go, fast forward. Okay everybody, we finished coloring our Dracula. As you can see on the cape, I chose to use kind of this dark red. It's kind of a maroon color right here. I left the skin white, kind of a pale look, and I outlined it with a light blue, kind of a gray. I put a little yellow in the teeth, a little yellow in the eyes, a little yellow in the hair just for accents. We added this red tongue, and now we're gonna do some accent whites, some highlights on the. So you get I like this Prismacolor white. It's kind of like a nice colored pencil, and we can do a little accent, like the lights hitting his cape a little bit, and I'm gonna do a little bit of accent on the hair. Make it look like it's slicked back. Just draw these straight lines, and it's kind of fun. You just draw these white marks with these pencils, and it adds some life to your drawing. So there is our Dracula. Have fun, and thanks for drawing with us on Hey Kids, Let's Draw.